What is the meaning of nation state? बुक सारा बंद करो, बुक सारा बंद करो. ये एक सैंपल है कि क्लास जाता कैसे है, ठीक है, समझ गए हैं. थोड़ा बीपी हाई हो जाता है, बाकी और कुछ नहीं होता है. बंद करना है कलेरा. मोबाइल क्या चलाता है तुम, बंद करो. इंस्टाग्राम लाइफ भी ग्राम में भर का होगा. ग्राम में ग्राम खरीदोगे, किलोग्राम में नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. बोले कि तेल 1 किलो लेके नहीं, मूंग 1 किलो लेके आना है, ये बोलेगा नहीं 250 ग्राम में काम चला. अब देख रहे हो इतना सारा चीज रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. हो जाएगा कैमरा ठीक है. व्हाट इज नेशन स्टेट?
सर अभी नहीं याद.
कुछ भी बोलिए, खड़े होइए फ्रेंड्स, खड़े होइए.
Nation state is the one of the power country.
Describe the painting of Frederick Sorio. Nah. But the Ronak Jha, what is the concept of modern state?
Modern state, a centralized. Modern state is a centralized administration which exercises the sovereign control over a particular defined territory.
Clearly defined territory.
Clearly
Who was
defined.
Ernst Reiner?
Ernst Reiner.
हाँ.
ये Ernst, ये
What changes were introduced by French revolutionaries after the French Revolution to develop the sense of nationalism?
first some following changes as follows as पहला introducing a new flag. दूसरा administrative introducing a idea of laboratory.
Ready, sir? What are the things that are taken into consideration while considering personal development? Yeah, development at personal level.
Rise in income,
Yes.
time and work facilities, job security, opportunity to learn.
Okay. So money in our pocket cannot buy us everything. Okay. Elucidate this statement.
Money in our pocket cannot buy everything. For example, money cannot buy pollution-free environment. Money, money cannot give medical facilities that survive poor and rich both.
Like it cannot prevent us from eating basically adulterated medicines.
Or
It cannot give us an environment to develop basically. Okay, because these things are related with literacy rate. Okay, it depends on a person's learning. Basically, the way in which a person lives depends upon his or her learning. So money cannot give us everything. Money cannot change our way of life. Money cannot improve our quality of life. Okay, quality of life, enhancement in quality of life is related with the enhancement in learning, medical facilities, healthcare, etc. Sit down. Very good. What is the HD? What was the HDI ranking of India? Rahul. Rishi. What was the HDI ranking of India according to 2019 HDI report? HDI, Human Development Report. Which neighboring country of India was ahead of India according to that particular report? Basically, which countries are considered as rich countries? Prakhar, what is the meaning of development? Define the term resource.
available in our environment which can satisfy our need and provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable.
What is the interaction basically? In order to develop, how we should interact with the natural environment. So availability of resource is the only condition for development, or there is any other criteria in order to develop. Shivam, why was the royal flag replaced by new French tricolor flag? When did Napoleon declare himself the Emperor of France?
1804, 1812,
When was Treaty of Vienna signed?
1815.
Which big powers were there in the basically delegation?
Britain, Russia, Austria, Prussia.
Konark. Why was Treaty of Vienna signed? What was the main intention behind the settlement of Treaty of Vienna?
Naya,
What was the main intention? To restore conservative order.
the main intention of Treaty of Vienna is to restore the monarchy
Yes.
in Europe and establish the ruler power again in France.
So why was it done? Why was it done? Why were basically autocratic monarchies restored in Europe?
नहीं पता मुझे.
So who were conservatives?
Conservatives were one who belongs to the traditional mindset of earlier times, who want to follow the earliest culture in that time also.
What changes were introduced by French revolutionaries to develop the sense of nationalism or commonness among the people of France?
नया time.
तो आना चाहिए था. What was the HDI ranking of India according to 2019 report of UNDP?
130.
Which country was ahead of India? Which neighboring country was ahead of India? Sri Lanka is the answer. Okay. Which countries are considered as poor countries according to World Development Report?
The country which have lowest per capita income you can
Basically, what
read
is the cap?
US dollar
$2,500.
US dollar 2500.
The countries whose whose per capita income per annum is 2,500 US dollar or less are considered as poor countries by the World Bank. Okay. Okay, sit down. Who releases World Development Report? Yes. Yes. Sir. Who releases World Development Report? What is the meaning of development?
Yeah. Development.
Development is different from growth. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sit down. Much. Oh. How is growth and development? What is the basic difference between growth and development?
Growth and development. Growth means increasement of income, and development means overall development.
Basically, growth is quantitative and development is qualitative in nature. So, how can we consider any country as developed or not?
by 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 average income and many other criteria like
What are the limitations of per capita income?
yeah,
What are the limitations of per capita income?
per capita income. It does not say about the poor and rich of the people, or also does not say about IMR, LR, and many of them.
Of, and it does not represent the correct figure of Distribution of resources. Whether equitable distribution of resources is done or not, we cannot find out by this basically parameter. Okay, sit down. Anushka. Why was French language encouraged and other dialects discouraged by the French Revolution?
Because they want the nation, they want to make a nation, and that's why they wants to all people will.
What was Napoleonic Civil Code?
Yeah,
What was the reaction of people? What was the basically reaction of population when Napoleon armies invaded other areas of Europe? What was the reaction?
they think that they were in a monarchy. Napoleon also was a dictator.
Describe how the Habsburg Empire was a patchwork of different regions and its peoples. You see, that's it, right? Describe how the Habsburg Empire was a patchwork of different regions and its peoples.
Habsburg Empire were patchwork for different regions and empire. Habsburg Empire were इसको सर एक बार हिंदी में बताइए.
Describe how the Habsburg Empire was a patchwork of different regions and its people.
दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछ. नहीं समझ में आया.
Explain the growth or emergence of new middle class.
Yeah, by the by the growth of industrialists in the late 18th century in the Europe and other European countries, the rise of populations and the sir हम हिंदी में.
Krishna, what was industrial revolution and how it is related with the growth of new middle class in the European continent? Handle the mic. Handle the mic. What was aristocracy? How was aristocracy a dominant class in the European continent? What did liberal nationalism stand for? What was the meaning of liberalism for a particular individual?
The meaning of liberalism, because all new type of growth, new type of growth.
What was political liberalism? What was the basically meaning of liberalism in political history? Pallav. Why was the Treaty of Vienna signed? What was the main intention behind drawing the settlement of Vienna?
The main intention is restore the monarchy
The main intention was to restore the monarchies all over
and
the Europe. Okay.
establishment of
Conservative order.
and all.
So why were conservative orders established in all the parts of Europe? Basically, who were conservatives?
Sir, which have old mindset and they have to
Basically, they desired to respect the traditional and established institutions of state and
State and-
society. Yes. So, did they prefer any kind of change or not?
Yes, sir. They restore
Usually,
the monarchy.
they didn't prefer, but after the French Revolution, their mindset was changed. And what were the things that they wanted to accept in the form of change, basically?
Sir, they accept the modern army.
Yeah. Modern army, efficient bureaucracy,
The process of serfdom and the process
abolition of
feudalism
serfdom and
serfdom,
yeah, feudalism.
uh, dynamic economy.
Huh.
They accepted the Napoleon ideas, which
Okay. So, what describe the clauses of Treaty of Vienna?
The Berber dynasty, which had been deposed in French Revolution, restored, uh, and all territory which Napoleon win. These are taken by the Treaty
Basically,
of
first one of the clause was the Bourbon dynasty, which had been deposed from power,
the
was
power,
restored to
restored
power. Okay, and France lost all its overseas
territory.
territories. Okay,
Second,
series of states were set up on the boundaries of France to
France.
prevent further expansion in the
Future.
future. Third,
third, the
Kingdom of Netherlands
in the
gained
north
the territory of Belgium,
and
and Genoa was added to
wa-
Piedmont in the
Piedmont
south. Third, हो गया. Fourth,
the Austria
was given
given the uh,
control
front-
of
frontiers.
Austria was given the control of northern Italy,
Northern Italy
and Prussia was
was
given new territories on its western frontiers.
frontier.
Okay,
The Russia was given a part of
parts of Poland,
Poland
and
and
Prussia was given the
part of
portion of Saxony. Very good. So, what was the nature of new conservative regimes that were set up in 1815? Basically, they were autocratic, na? They imposed censorship. uh, They didn't tolerate any criticism and dissent. Okay, they sought to curb all the activities that questioned the legitimacy of the government. Please sit down. What is meant by the term economics, Harshit? Yes, sir. What is meant by the term economics?
Yeah.
इकोनॉमिक्स का मतलब क्या है? We have divided the subject of economics into two parts. What are those two parts?
Microeconomics and macroeconomics.
सारे लोग जाइए, सारे गर्ल्स जाएंगे बाबू, गर्ल्स सारे जाएंगे.
Also,